Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into popular skincare debate, facial serum versus facial moisturizer. What's the real difference between these two? Which one should you use for your skin type, and can they be used together? In this video, we're breaking down the unique benefits of serums and moisturizers, how they work, and when to incorporate them into your routine. So if you want to level up your skincare game, stick around. What is a facial serum? Facial serums are lightweight, fast-absorbing liquids designed to deliver high concentrations of active ingredients deep into the skin. Because they are made with smaller molecules, they penetrate the skin more efficiently than heavier creams or lotions. Serums often contain potent ingredients like antioxidants, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins. These active ingredients target specific skin concerns such as fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, or hydration. One of the key benefits of using a facial serum is its ability to offer targeted treatment. Whether you're looking to brighten your complexion, fight acne, or diminish dark spots, there's a serum for almost every skin issue. Unlike moisturizers, which provide an overall hydration boost, serums focus on repairing, rejuvenating, or protecting your skin from environmental damage. However, due to their potency, serums are typically applied in small amounts and should be used after cleansing but before moisturizing.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is a facial moisturizer? On the other hand, facial moisturizers are designed to hydrate and create a protective barrier on the skin surface. While serums work on deeper layers, moisturizers act on the outermost layer of the skin, sealing in moisture and keeping it hydrated throughout the day. Most moisturizers are formulated with emollients, humectants, and occlusive, which help lock in water and prevent dryness. Moisturizers come in various textures, from lightweight gels to richer creams, catering to different skin types. If you have oily skin, you might opt for a gel-based or oil-free moisturizers, while those with dry skin may need a richer, more nourishing cream. Regardless of your skin type, moisturizing is a crucial step to maintain skin balance, prevent dryness, and enhance the skin's barrier function. Serum versus moisturizer. The key differences. Now that we understand what each product does, let's dive into the key differences between facial serums and moisturizers. The first major difference lies in their formulation and texture. Serums are lightweight, typically water or oil-based, and contain a higher concentration of active ingredients. Moisturizers, on the other hand, are thicker, and their primary function is to hydrate the skin and lock in moisture. Another crucial difference is the role each product plays in a skincare routine. Serums are often seen as treatment products, focused on targeting specific concerns like wrinkles, dark spots, or acne. Moisturizers, however, focus on maintaining hydration levels, preventing moisture loss, and providing an overall layer of protection to the skin. In terms of application, serums are applied before moisturizers because of their lightweight consistency and deeper absorption. Moisturizers are layered on top to seal in the serum and protect the skin from external stressors. This layering technique ensures that your skin receives both the intense treatment from the serum and the hydration and protection from the moisturizer. Do you need both? The short answer, yes. For most people, both products serve unique and complementary purposes. If you're aiming for optimal skin health, using both a serum and moisturizer in your routine can make a noticeable difference. The serum will target and treat specific concerns, while the moisturizer will keep your skin hydrated and protected. It's essential to remember that a serum alone won't always provide enough moisture, especially for dry or sensitive skin. Similarly, a moisturizer might not deliver the potent ingredients needed to address specific skin concerns. However, the choice between serum and moisturizers can also depend on your skin type, age, environmental factors. Those with oily or acne-prone skin might benefit from a lightweight serum and gel moisturizer. while individuals with a dry or aging skin may require both a potent serum and a richer, more hydrating moisturizer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more skincare tips and reviews. Let me know in the comments, are you team serum, moisturizer, or both? Until next time, take care and keep glowing.